Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are coming up to the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. Now this intersection is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. And it's so busy that a double overpass, the only double overpass in Jamaica, was built at this intersection. So we are on Spanish Town Road, and if we were to continue straight, we would take the lower of the two overpasses, and that's the Spanish Town Road overpass. The higher overpass is Hagley Park Road, and that's the Hagley Park Road overpass. Now, if we were to join this line of traffic and go left, we would go to the original ground level of the overpass, and this area is called 3 miles. And if we were to go left, it would take us to Halfway Tree, and they call it 3 miles because it's 3 miles from Halfway Tree. You have another area called 6 miles, and it's called 6 miles because it's 6 miles from Halfway Tree. Now, you would ask the question, why is this the busiest intersection in Jamaica? Well, Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. Turn left here on Hagley Park Road, it takes you to Halfway Tree. You turn right, it takes you to the wharf, which is the largest port in Kingston. Also, it takes you to the Portmore Expressway, which takes you over to Portmore, which has one of the largest populations outside the city of Kingston. Coming in from Spanish Town, you would buck up this intersection, and Spanish Town also has one of the largest populations. The three largest populations in Jamaica are City of Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town. And if you're coming into the City of Kingston from any of those areas, you will pass this intersection. If we continue straight, we'd head down to downtown Kingston. So within the City of Kingston now, the three busiest places are Halfway Tree, downtown Kingston, and New Kingston. And you can access all three by going past that intersection. So it's very busy, and they built the double overpass there. And since the overpass has been built, the flow of traffic is much better. You no longer have the long delays. Okay, just as an example, you saw the line of traffic lined up to go left, and that is with the overpass is built. So can you imagine how much chaotic the traffic was before the overpasses were built? Alright, so we are going this way now, and we're going back to the original intersection. This is the intersection before the overpasses were built. This is where the road you had to use. And you can get a nice view of the overpass here. There you can see the signs. Three busiest places in Jamaica. Turn right to go Halfway Tree, go straight to go to Spanish Town, and turn left here to go to Portmore. And that is why this is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. Because you can go to the three busiest places in Jamaica from that intersection. Alright, so this is a very nice view of the overpass, under the overpass. And it was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. It was part of the MIDP program, Major Infrastructure Development Program. And that program was actually one of the best road projects in Jamaica outside of the building of the highways. They have rehabilitated Marcus Garvey Drive, Hagley Park Road, building of that overpass, Barbican Road, Constant Spring Road. It was really a major infrastructure project, I must say. But the project has ended, and I haven't heard anything about any new project like that to work on the main roads. Most of the projects you hear about now are the Southern Coastal Highway project, the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway, building the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000, and that highway is actually going to go from Mandeville to Montego Bay, so that leg needs to be built. You haven't really heard anything about any major infrastructure program like the MIDP for the main roads within the city or any other city. In Montego Bay, they're building the Perimeter Road, the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, but nothing on the scale of, in terms of main roads being fixed now, nothing like the MIDP project. So hopefully a project like that comes along. I mean, 322 million US is a lot of money, so it's not something that can be done easily. But the MIDP program, the funds, 85% of the funds for that project came from the China Exim Bank. It was a loan, and 15% came from the government of Jamaica. So once you hear the word China Exim Bank, you know the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. And I must say, they did an excellent job in fixing these roads. Now, this road that we're driving on was done, this is a part of Highway 2000. This is the Portmore Expressway. But it wasn't built by the Chinese company, it was built by a French company. And this is a part of Highway 2000. This is a toll road. The MIDP roads weren't toll roads, they were regular roads. You didn't have to pay toll on them. Like Mandela Highway, you don't pay toll. It's just the Highway 2000 that you pay toll on. And Highway 2000 has Phase 1 and Phase 2. Phase 1 is from Kingston to Montego Bay, and Phase 2 is from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Those are the only roads in Jamaica that you pay toll on. And this road, Portmore, this was part of Phase 1, the Portmore Expressway toll road. This is part of Highway 2000. So the Highway 2000 project is the only one that you pay toll on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.